And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.771. Okay, and previously if you go, you can see that this is the zone where the price of natural gas is moving since long. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, third week of Jan of 23, that is where 22, that is third week of Jan, that is 2022, where the price is moving in this zone, and a probability is very high that if the price goes above this particular level of $3, we can see it can go further upside, or once started falling below a level of $2, that is where we can see it can move further down. As of now, trend is on the upside till the time it is sustaining a level of around, you can say, $2.5. We will not say it can go further down. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular trend after in the zone, that a U pattern is forming. After that, this level is being tested and that it went upside. Same pattern is created here. It made a high and a fall has come and then moved upside. Okay, and since 2 days it is trying to go upside, okay, with a strong support and a swing at a level of $2.610. So keep it in mind that this is a strong support. So if the price fall below this level, a further down we can see, but till the time it is sustaining this level, we can see it can go further upside. So suppose if the price sustain this level, because two green candles we have seen is forming and it is above a particular resistance, as you can see, look at this particular level. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of around $2.820. okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of around $2.883. okay, so once the price move above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.046. okay, this $3.046 is the high of this particular zone. So once the price move above that particular zone, it can cross that particular zone and chances of touching a level of around 3.346 is there. okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 3.414 is there. okay, keep that in mind. Once started moving upside above a level of $3.414, chances of touching a level of around 3.713 is there, and if the price move above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.910. okay, and you have to understand, once started moving above a level of 3.7, a probability of going further upside we can see, because this level we have not seen since Jan of 2023, so a breakout will happen. So probability of going further upside we can see for the price of natural gas. okay, but as I've already explained you that market is always uncertain. Overall trend, you can say the price action, okay, but how much volatility we can see, that is depend on how we have seen. See, suppose if there is an event is coming, so probability of volatility is high. okay, and in that situation, suppose volatility is high, you have to remember that the quantity can be reduced to half. okay, SL and target can be increased by twice, so that your target should be hit rather than hitting your SL. okay, I teach all these things in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. See, suppose if this particular resistance and the price didn't sustain above that level, and if it goes below this particular level, it can go towards its next support to a level of around $2.718. if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, it can move further down towards a level of $2.518. okay, and if the price fall below $2.518, chances of touching further down we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.47, and if the price fall below this particular level, chances of going further down we can see it can touch a level of $2.35. okay, see, if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further down we can see it can go towards a level of $2.31, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of going towards a level of 2.44 is there. Okay, so once the price fall below $2.44, a probability of going towards a level of $2.15 is there, and that is already being a weak support. Okay, so chances of falling towards a level of 2.062 is there. Keep it in mind, once started falling below a level of $2.145, chance of touching a level of 2.062 is there, and from there we can see it can fall further down, and a probability that it can move in this particular zone. So keep it in mind, because this level we have not seen since after pandemic, so chances are high if the price fall below $2, it will come in a zone of around $1.98, and from there we can see level of $1.85, and then further down the price didn't sustain. If the price fall below $2, I'll make another video, a probability of going where it can go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.